Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you today? Today we will learn about relative pronouns in English, kinds and examples. Number 1. Who. It relates to people as subject. For example, Number 1. The singer who sings this song is very beautiful. Number 2. Who sings the song? Number 3. I don't know who he is. Number 4. The girl who stands there is my sister. Number 5. Who will accompany you? Number 2. Whom. It relates to people as an object. For examples, number 1. I know the boy whom you like. For whom do you buy this flower? Number 3. With whom did you go to the beach last week? Number 4. To whom are you talking? Number 5. Whom is she thinking about? Number 3. Which. It relates to animals and objects. For examples, number 1. Which one do you choose? Number 2. I know the movie which you like. Number 3. A bag which you buy is expensive. Number 4. Which is the biggest cat? Number 5. Do you know which is the highest mountain? Number 4. Why. It refers to reasons. For examples, number 1. Why do you look so sad? I know the reason why she is here. Number 3. Please tell me, why are you late? Number 4. Why does the cat like meat? Number 5. Why don't you go now? Number 5. When. It refers to time. For examples, number 1. The day when the examination be held is Friday. Number 2. When did you buy this bag? Number 3. I don't know when I lost my key. Number 4. When is your birthday? Number 5. When will she return the novel? Number 6. Where? It refers to place. For examples, that is the house where my parents grew me up. Number 2. Please tell me where my phone is. Number 3. Where is your brother? Number 4. This is the place where we met last year. Number 5. Where do you find this money? Number 7. Whose? It refers to possessions. For examples, whose pen is it? Number 2. The student whose hair is long should come forward. Number 3. Do you know whose cat is it? Number 4. The girl whose purse was lost was so sad. Number 5. I want to meet the boy whose wallet was stolen. Number 8. That. It refers to people, animals, or things. For examples, number 1. The person that you call is my sister. Number 2. The bag that you buy is so expensive. Number 3. I know that the hat she wears is yours. Number 4. The bird that flies over my house is beautiful. Number 5. The motorcycles that you ride is mine. That's all about relative pronouns in English. Thank you and see you in the next video.